Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9245XX. 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Onyx black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of storage space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.